Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a story. The ass in the lion's skin. Once an ass found a lion's skin. He put it on, thinking that animals would be afraid of him. In this dress, he walked about and frightened all other animals he met. The ass was highly pleased with his new look. One day a fox came along. He was very clever and could understand the ass's trick. Instead of being afraid of him, he shouted at the ass. The ass tried to frighten him by shouting, but unfortunately he brayed aloud. All animals understood that the ass was in disguise. They all came running and drove him out of the forest. Moral: real identity will always come out. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.